Are you having trouble communicating with others because of your terrible handwriting? Well, lucky for you, here are 4 simple ways to improve your handwriting. Are you ready? Let's make some room to begin, shall we? That's better. Step 1. Practice writing a page a day. Make sure to write the date of each entry so you can see how your handwriting improves over time. Nice try there. Step 2. Find a pen pal. Having a pen pal is a good concrete reason to motivate yourself to practice. It's also a good way to keep up a friendship, as long as they can read it. Step 3. Slow down. Slow down while you're writing. Slowing down allows you to get back to the basics and gives you the time to form each letter properly. Very good. There's just one more step. Forget what all the rule books say. Do whatever feels comfortable for your wrists and posture. Good on you there, Written. So there you have it. 4 simple ways to improve your handwriting.